Hi guys, Drew here from Prepared Camping, and today I'm going to be making a little sausage, potato and egg scramble in my Mil-Tec camping cook set that I recently got. So, whilst that's warming up, I'll chop some onions. Now I forgot to bring a chopping board with me, so I'm just going to use the lid to do the chopping up on. But it means I'm going to have to be a bit careful because I don't want to damage it with the knife. The knife I'm using here is a steel knife. It's the Holterfor's plumber's knife I did a video on before. It's quite a good blade actually. It's very cheap for going out for bushcrafting and things like that, and it does the job. It's got a nice Scandi cut on it as well. So yeah, you don't have to get expensive stuff to have fun in the woods. So get a pot on, and then I'll just add some oil. I like the taste of this rapeseed oil. It's a bit more buttery than sunflower oil. So I'll just let those onions soften there and brown in the pan for a minute or two. So whilst those onions are softening, I'll just get a couple of sausages and chop them up. This particular sausage I'm using is a Polish sausage in a silesian sort of style, so there's quite a lot of garlic in it. They're reasonably fatty, so that's why I'm hoping I don't have to add too much oil to the pan. Tastes pretty good. I mean, you know, this is all cooked to go, or ready cooked, I should say. They just need warming through, really. The only raw ingredients I'm using today is a couple of eggs and the onions. Even the potatoes I'm going to use in the tin, so they're already cooked, they just need warming through. You didn't seriously think I was going to add one sausage, did you? Right, so just give this a bit of a stir before I chop up the potatoes and add them. Right, that should be thoroughly mixed. Well, I'll just drain off most of this water that's in here before I chop them up. A little dribble in the pan, doesn't it? Now, if I wanted to make a sauce of this, I suppose I could have kept all of the water in this and then added some tomato paste or something like that to create a thicker sauce. Go more down the sort of the bigos type route. Bigos, I'm not quite sure how you pronounce that. So I'm just chopping these down so they're roughly the same sort of size. Like I say, they're all already cooked, they just need warming through. And the smaller they are, the quicker they warm up. It specifically says on the tin, not for frying, so don't really want me getting in contact with the pan too much. Alright, so that's everything pretty much warmed through now. I'm just going to add a little bit of paprika. There's no need to add salt because there's plenty of that in the potato water and the sausage from before. Just give it a little bit more colour and a bit more flavour. Just catching a little bit there on the bottom of the pan. Maybe I should have added some more oil earlier. But I did think some of the fats from the sausage would come out and help me out with not doing that. It's need to cook now, so I'm not going to bother adding oil at this stage. So there you go, that's that all mixed in. Just going to level it off here and then I'll put it back on the heat and we'll add a couple of eggs. For anyone that's seen my previous videos, they'll have seen that I made this spoon here actually just using a Mora Companion one afternoon. So if you're new to the channel and you haven't seen that, I'll put a little link up here. Maybe you can go and have a look at that video after this. You know, let me know what you think. Right, so the eggs are nearly cooked. I'm just going to stir it all in here. It is, after all, called a scramble. And there you go. It doesn't look very appealing, I know it's a bit messy, but then, you know, I'm no trained chef. But everything in it is good. Sausage, onion, egg, potato. And that's pretty good. I enjoyed that actually. Tasted a lot better than it looked. So, thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, take care. And as always, you know, let me know what you thought about this in the comments box below. Cheers.